I just came back from a 6-day trip to New York City, and I want to use this opportunity to talk about how can you shop your wardrobe to create effortlessly put together looks for your holiday with minimum shopping, and also how can you really style yourself on your vacation. And if you're interested to know all the things that I thrifted in New York City, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hello everybody, my name is Surbi and I'm a qualified image consultant and coach. I talk about becoming the best version of yourself from the inside and outside, and I also offer 30-minute free image identity calls with me, which you can book with a link in my description. Without further ado now, let's get right into the video. The very first step that you're going to take when it comes to packing for your holiday is to find the vibe of the place. Is it a beach? Is it a city vibe? Is it a desert? What is it exactly? And when it comes to finding the vibe, you might also find the style. For New York, it's all about street style. It's also a little bit elegant. What is the vibe and style of the place that you're going to? The second step is to shop your wardrobe. Before you go onto any shopping website, before you go onto any store, I really invite you to go and have a look at your wardrobe, because too many people would tell you to just go with an empty suitcase and shop everything there, or too many people would say, why are you buying things from here to go for your holiday, just buy everything there. But my advice is to really maximize what you have by shopping your wardrobe first, because you will be surprised to see how many looks you can create with your own wardrobe. I used to be someone who would buy new dresses for every vacation. I would just see how many days I'm going for and buy a whole new wardrobe. But I feel that's not very efficient. You are wasting so much space in your wardrobe by always buying new outfits for every vacation. It's not feasible. So I recommend you to look at what you already have, and we are going to maximize that. Once you have had a look at your wardrobe, it's now time to put together the outfits. You're going to have, for example, you're going for 6 days to New York City. You're going to put together 6 daytime looks and 6 evening looks, and also that involves your airport outfits as well. You want to make sure the outfits are comfortable, they are elegant, or they are representing you in some way. Even though you have checked the vibe of the place, you've checked the style of the place, that doesn't mean you need to copy it. It means that you need to get inspired to express your own personal style with whatever you've researched. For me, my style is elegant, my style is effortless, my style is vibrant and flamboyant, and I always make sure that I express that with my outfits. So it's really about you understanding how is it that you want to feel on your holiday, how is it that you want to portray yourself on your holiday, and this is what you're going to do after you've shopped your closet. You've already seen what you have, now it's time to put it into practice and start curating the looks. Step 3 is to now start filling in the missing pieces. If you're feeling that you've looked through your wardrobe but you still feel that you're not very happy with it, you still feel that there are missing pieces, this is the time to shop. If you feel like there is missing pieces, you can buy a few items that would complement your wardrobe and that would create looks that are effortless. For me, there was no such missing piece, but there was one dress that I really desired and would go very well for my vacation. So I budgeted for that and I bought one high quality dress from Mishki. It was just absolutely stunning, and it worked very well for that sunny day in New York. And I know that there are other occasions also that I can wear it in. So just look at that now. If you're buying a piece, is it going to be a piece that you can use after the vacation also? If that is the case, then I would recommend going and buying the piece. So you really need to look into what you're buying. Is it going to be worth your money, your time, your energy? And is it going to be something that you can use even after your holiday? So I recommend you to fill in the missing pieces, but doing it very consciously so that you know, I'm filling in the missing pieces, but I'm also making sure that I can use these pieces after my vacation. Now is the time to curate the outfits. So I'm going to do this by showing you the outfits that I wore in New York. So we are going to start with my airport outfits. So when it comes to airport outfits, you want them to be comfortable, but you also want them to express who you are, your personal style. So you want the comfort to meet style. For me, I paired a knitted bodycon dress from H&M with a crop pink cardigan, and I used the complementary color wheel to style myself. And I also the 3 color rules. So I wore beige loafers, a beige bag, and also cropped cardigan and a knitted dress. It was so comfortable and I received so many compliments as well. So it was a stellar look. For the airport outfit, you want it to be comfortable, but you also want it to express your style. So for my first day in New York, I wore this gorgeous red crop cardigan with a red top as well as a gray skirt and some knee-high boots. It was an amazing outfit. I felt so comfortable. I got so many compliments as well. But in general, it just felt like myself. You know, you want to feel like yourself in these outfits. You don't want to feel like you are someone else. So it's very important that you pick outfits that make you feel comfortable, that make you feel like yourself, but you're also expressing your style. For the evening look, I paired this gorgeous trench coat that I have with a gorgeous bodycon pink dress. It's beautiful. It's an old dress that I had, which I bought on Primark, but I absolutely love it. It's stunning. We were going to a Vietnamese restaurant, so I really matched the vibe of the place that I was going to, and I just felt so beautiful in the dress. Day two is when I wore this gorgeous blue dress that I have. It's a dress that I haven't worn in about 2 years. So it's a gorgeous short mini skater dress, and I paired it with a pink pastel cardigan that I wore to the airport and also my beige bag. So you see that I've been using the 3 color rule a lot, and I think the 3 color rule is a beautiful rule when it comes to creating effortlessly stylish looks. When it comes to really looking effortlessly polished, you don't want to put too much thought into it. Just use 3 colors to create your outfit, and you're going to feel so elevated. You're going to look so chic and stylish. People are going to think that you put a lot of effort, but you just use 3 colors to create your outfit. So day 3 is when I wore a red cardigan, the red cardigan, which is already something I spoke about, with a little black dress with pearls. I mean, this is a beautiful dress that I got from H&M about 2 years ago, and it's a beautiful little black dress. I paired it with my neutral loafers that I wore throughout the trip and my neutral bag as well. But you see again, black dress with a nice cardigan, it goes really well together. And I just shifted my cardigan to the red trench that I thrifted from L Train Vintage in the evening because it got a little bit cooler. But it was a really nice transition as well because the length of the trench coat matched my dress. So it was a perfect transition for the evening look. Day 4 was also a trip to Brooklyn and a little bit of thrifting. So I wore my Mishki dress. It was a very sunny day out in New York. So I wore my nice dress that I got from Mishki. It was beautiful. I felt amazing. And I paired it with a white cardigan and my bag as well. So I paired a different bag this time because we were going for a day trip. So I wanted to make sure that I'm comfortable and I have all my things. So I paired it with that bag, and in the evening time, we went to a jazz club. So I shifted and I wore a polka dot dress to match the vibe of the jazz club. Next up, we have the final day in New York City. I wore this gorgeous red dress that I'm wearing right now. I got this actually a few months ago when I was in India. It's from Forever New. I love this dress because it just fits me like a glove, and I love the color red. So it was just perfect for a sunny day in New York City, and it was just something so comfortable, and the pictures were absolutely stunning in this dress. I could just make the whole video about the pictures that I took in this dress. It was absolutely perfect. So one little tip that I would have for you here is to also look at the colors of the outfits that you're packing for your trip. It's very easy to pack all the neutral colors, but I highly recommend you to pack colors, because the photos that you're going to get are going to be so vibrant because of the colors of your outfits, but also you're going to feel amazing. You're going to feel vibrant, you're going to feel energetic if you wear the right colors. Now, let's get into the juicy part of the video where I'm going to show you all the things that I thrifted in New York City and also all the beauty products that I bought. So let's start with this gorgeous leopard print top that I got in L Train Vintage. It was only $8 and it's just so cute. Look at it, perfect for work or also perfect for night outs as well. If you're going out with your friends, you can wear this beautiful leopard print top. And I feel it's extremely important to pick out outfits that would match the wardrobe that you already have whenever you're shopping. Even if the item costs $2, $1, it's extremely important that you buy the things that you're going to be excited to wear, that are going to work with what you already have. Because otherwise you're never going to wear those pieces and they're just going to collect dust. The next piece is actually one of my favorites. It's this beautiful black trench coat that I got. It's like a crop trench coat. Look at the buttons, look at the details. It's from New York and Company. It is perfect size. It's like literally in my size. It looks brand new and I absolutely love this piece. I've worn this piece almost every single day after my trip. I absolutely love it. I got it for $25. It was absolutely a steal. This is also from L Train Vintage. It was my absolutely favorite shop in New York City. And if you want to look at my vlog from New York, I have it on my Instagram, so you can have a look there. Next piece is actually this gorgeous red trench coat that I got as well. It's so vibrant. It's perfect. It's actually from DKNY and it was also $25. Absolutely a steal. I was just so excited to see these trench coats that are in my size. And one thing I noticed is that wherever we went for thrifting, there were so many trench coats. So if you're looking for trench coats, I highly recommend thrifting in New York City because you're going to find so many of them and they're just perfect. Next up, I actually have this gorgeous Josie Moran cream that I got in Sephora. It's so nice. It smells amazing. And I regret not buying the bigger pack. Actually, it's just fabulous. Then I have the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray that I got from Sephora as well. Then I got these gorgeous earrings. They are so beautiful and unique, and we thrifted these in the Koreatown actually. So New York has a Koreatown, Chinatown, and all these places. And I got these in Koreatown. And then I also want to show you these other earrings that I got. These are from Beacon's Closet in Brooklyn. It's also a thrift store. And I love these earrings. I've been wearing them almost every single day. They're gold plated. They're absolutely amazing. They work really well with the things that I have. And I also got this gorgeous ring as well in Brooklyn. I love this ring. Then I got this gorgeous, it's like a kind of like a bracelet. It's gold plated. It has that arpel, design. It's absolutely fabulous. I love it. And it's also gold plated. I also got that in Koreatown as well. And then I have these limited edition Victoria's Secret perfume sprays. It's actually not something you can find in Ireland. It's the Victoria's Secret Holiday Collection. So I got these in Victoria's Secret in Manhattan. I absolutely love these scents and I again regret not buying the bigger pack. I just felt that I need to try the smaller pieces before I buy the bigger pack, and now I regret not buying the bigger pack. So that's that. But before I end the video, I really want to talk about the confidence lessons that I learned when I was away in New York City. So you might be thinking, I get so many questions actually about this, that how do you pull off bold looks when it comes to your style, when it comes to your image? And I really want to tell you that I got so many compliments when I was there because I was dressing for myself, because I was really going in with the bold colors, with the bold prints. I got so many compliments, and this is the lesson from the trip, to really express your style, express your confidence, to really go all in, because people appreciate when you step into your authenticity, when you go all in with who you are. People appreciate that you attract the right people. So instead of feeling shy, instead of feeling holding yourself back and blending into the crowd, I challenge you to express your personal style, to really express who you are with your clothes, because your clothes and your outfits do speak before you do. So I highly recommend and challenge you to step into your style this vacation season. And if you need any help with personal styling, with confidence, I recommend you to grab the 30-minute free image identity call with me, linked in the description box. And I'm more than happy to help you, and see you in the next video. I am just going for a quick smoothie run, but look at how I styled the red trench. I just threw it on the dress that I was wearing, and I styled it with these cute heels and this bag, and it looks so effortless. And I just didn't even have to think. I could just throw it on and I feel amazing. So it's all about how you style your pieces. And if you would like your own personalized tailored image consultation, don't forget to book your image identity call with a link in my description, and I will see you in the next video.